train crossing a bridge, puffing out smoke and soot on a rather wet, misty day in the Thames Valley.
Just the title, Rain, Steam and Speed, yeah, everything pouring, you know, it's kind of like, it's exciting.
It's hitting the same note as Temeraire, so you have the kind of the world of old motion drifting along in that little boat. Well, it's sort of coming along.
The firebox has almost eaten through the casing of the engine chassis as it roars towards you.
This is the Great Western Railway. This is Brunel's fantastic engineering achievement. It's the jewel in the crown of the railway system.
The railway bridge over which the train is going is Isambard Kingdom Brunel's. So it is a homage to one of the defining figures of Victorian Britain.
When this picture is painted, we're just about a decade and a half into the history of the railways. I mean, remember, before the railways arrived, nobody had gone faster than a horse could gallop. And now we have these railways that, even by 1844, when this picture is done, are going 30, 40 miles an hour, and they're soon to go 50, 60 miles an hour. Unheard of speeds. It really is transformational. The Great Western was even responsible for standardizing time. There was a time difference between, say, Exeter and London of about 15, 20 minutes, because it was set by the rising of the sun. And it was thanks to the Great Western that we have Greenwich Mean Time.
And if you look very closely, there is a hare that's running for its life in front of the train.
I mean, the hare is, in Britain anyway, the fastest natural animal. So you've got this contrast between the modern industrial speedy machine and the natural speedy animal.
The train in Rain, Steam and Speed is not just a train rushing at us, but it's also a reminder of the modern world and how the modern world is changing the landscape, changing society, changing individual lives.
The coming of the railway